Hey guys, welcome to Digit, and this is going to be an installation video for the HyperX DDR4 memory module, which is rated for 2400 MHz. We have the memory module right here outside of the packaging, and then we have a compatible motherboard over here. This happens to be an MSI B450M Pro VDH Max, and here we can see the 4 RAM slots into which the memory modules are supposed to go. Now, in order to figure out which RAM slot should be populated first, you should always refer the user manual for the motherboard. In case you do not, we do highly encourage that you should. They will be mentioned on the board itself sometimes. In this case, you can see that it's mentioned over here. The 4 slots are called DIMM A1, DIMM A2, DIMM B1, DIMM B2, and it says first right next to DIMM A2 and B2. So if you have memory modules lying around, then you should first install it into DIMM A2, followed by DIMM B2, then in DIMM A1, and then in DIMM B1. In order to install the memory module, we should first unlock the latch that is present over here. Certain motherboards will have RAM slots that have latches on both sides. In this case, we only have latch on the top side, so that's the only thing we are going to remove, or rather unlock. And if you remember, this is the DIMM A2 slot that we've unlocked. It's the first that should be populated because we don't have any other memory modules. Now we've taken the memory module. We need to align this notch with the notch that is present on the RAM slot. If you flip the module around, you can see that they're not aligned, and the notch is actually higher compared to the notches on the motherboard. Now we flip it around, and to install it, we need to align it with the little cuts that are present on the socket. And once you place it in, it should stay in place, it should not fall over. And to lock it in place, use your thumbs and press down upon the memory module from the left and the right, and if you press it down hard enough, the latch will automatically lock. It will fall in and lock itself automatically. Then you can attempt removing the module, it should not come out, and that's how you install the memory module in a motherboard. If you'd like us to do similar videos of installations, unboxings of PC components and peripherals, please do like and share this video, and as always, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.